Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade previous September week 3 first lab solution, which is going to be analyze BigQuery data in connected sheets challenge lab. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded solution of the trivia week 2. Week 2 जो है trivia का उसका solution आ चुके हैं and that is available in the form of the playlist and playlist contain all the lab solutions. So you can access the playlist from the link in the description box or by clicking on the I button of the video. जैसे आप वीडियो के आई बटन पे क्लिक करोगे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा एंड अदर लैब्स के सॉल्यूशन भी हो चुके हैं जैसे कि लेवल 3 सितंबर एंड ट्रिविया सितंबर वीक 1 एंड द आर्किटेक्टन ओके सो नाउ कम बैक टू हियर all you need to do is to start the lab, click on this, click on start lab button, and in this lab we will be working with the Google Sheets instead of the Google Cloud platform. So we will right click upon open sheets and open it in incognito window only. Make sure you are using the incognito mode, click on the next button, come back to here, copy the password from here, this is the password, copy it, paste it here, hit enter button, and we get logged in into the Google account. Click on I understand. Wait for a couple of seconds. We need to create a new spreadsheet and link the data with the help of the BigQuery dataset. So wait for it to open. Then click on the blank spreadsheet. Wait for it to load. Click on Got It button. Hover upon the data. Click on Data Connectors. Then select Connect to BigQuery. Click on Get Connected. Now then we'll select QuickLab Resources. From here, what we need to do is, let me check. First of all, click on that button. So the problem we were facing is that when we going to the data connectors in the BigQuery, we are not seeing our project ID. Only QuickLab resources was given there. लेकिन हमें project ID अपनी show नहीं हो रही थी. ये problem थी तो मैंने क्या किया? Simply I closed it and I closed the whole tab, the incognito tab and re-logged in. मैंने फिर से login किया ताकि मेरे वो डाटा दिखने लगे. आपके केस में भी अगर आपको डाटा प्रोजेक्ट आईडी नहीं दिख रही है तो आपको भी ऐसे ही करना है. You need to go to the connect BigQuery and make sure you are seeing your QuickLab ID here. अगर आपको ये शो नहीं हो रही है तो आपको पूरा इनकॉग्निटो टैब क्लोज करना है एंड री लॉग इन करके फिर से सेम टास्क अप्लाई करना है ओके नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट come back click on the public data set come back to the lab and copy this New York taxi trips copy it very carefully ध्यान से कॉपी करेंगे make sure you don't copy any extra spacing paste it in the search data set select your data set again come back to the lab copy the next one make sure you don't copy the full stop at the end ये छोटा सा full stop दिख रहा है ये कॉपी नहीं करना है ओके paste it here select your trips click on connect button and wait for the data to be connected and make sure again आपका project ID उस वक्त दिखना चाहिए नहीं तो आपका डाटा लोड नहीं होगा और अगर आपका project ID नहीं दिख रहा है if you are unable to see the project ID make sure you cut the whole tab re-log in and make sure you got the correct data set click on get started button now what you need to do click on the functions click on count if s click on this one click on create now come back to the lab and go to the description of this video and in the description you will find the link of this github file. This github file contains the formulas to complete this lab. तो आपको first of all you need to copy this formula. ये copy करना है पूरा formula. Come back to here. Double click upon this. Remove the whole formula given and paste the new formula that we just copied. Hit enter button. Hover upon it. Click on apply button. Wait for the data to be loaded up. Now come back to the lab. Click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Okay. Now in the next task, we need to create a pie chart. Okay. So for that, simply come back to the lab. And from the bottom most, you will see your sheet. So click on this sheet. Click on the charts. Click on create. It will open it up. Now from the chart type, we will select the pie chart. So select it. And for the label, search for the payment. And select this payment underscore type. After that, we need to select the value. So click on this add value and search for the fare. Hit the search bar, search for the fare. FARE and select this fare underscore amount and you will see the apply button. Click on the apply button and wait for the data to be loaded in the pie chart. It will take a couple of seconds and you will see the pie chart will look like this. Make sure, don't worry if your colors are different. Colors आपके different हो सकते हैं उसमें कोई problem नहीं है. Pie chart कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. Now simply come back to the lab. Click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick for the third task also. Now for the third for the fourth task we need to extract the rows. So come back to here again. Go to that yellow trips sheet and click on the extract button. Click on create. Now from here, wait for it to load. Now what you need to do, click on this edit button of the columns. Come back to the lab. First of all, select the select individual column that we need to select. Now come back to here. And from the task number 4, select this one, pick up underscore date time. We need to select this. Make sure you don't copy the comma. जो end में comma है वो select नहीं करना है. Only copy the highlighted part. Come back to here. Paste it into the search tab. Select this. Select anywhere under the empty space. Click on edit button once again. Come back to the lab. In the similar manner, we will copy the next drop off underscore date time. Again, make sure you don't copy the comma. Paste it here. Select the drop off underscore date time. Click on the empty space. Again, click on edit button. In the similar manner, we will be adding the rest of the two columns. So copy the trip underscore distance. Make sure extra spacing या comma कुछ भी और copy नहीं करना है, नहीं तो आपकी लैब कंप्लीट नहीं होगी. इन छोटी छोटी एरर्स की वजह से आपकी पूरी लैब कंप्लीट नहीं होती है, फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है एंड आप फिर सोचते हो कि गलत कहाँ हो गए. So make sure you copy it very carefully. Again, we will add the fair underscore amount. So click on edit, paste it here, click on fair underscore amount. We are good to go. Now for the third, we will click on this and what we will add, we check. So in the search bar, type trip underscore distance, select it. And here you will see ASC. We need to click on this ASC and it will make it descending DESC. Now for the row limit, select 10,000 only and click on the apply button and wait for the data to be loaded. जैसे ही आपका data load हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, then we will be done with the task number 4. Come back to the lab, click on check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 4th also. Now fifth task would be the end task. So let's complete it quickly. जल्दी से ये भी complete कर लेते हैं. Now task 5 के लिए हमें क्या करना है? Simply go back to that GitHub file जो that I provided in the link or the description box. आपको description box में इस फाइल का link मिल रहा होगा. And from here you need to select the second, the task number 5, last line. You need to copy the last line. Copy it very carefully. Come back to the lab. Open that yellow trips sheet from bottom. Select on calculated column and under the name simply type being notified. Being notified and put the formula that we just copied here. जो हमने copy किया था ना GitHub फाइल से वो paste करना है यहाँ पर. Click on the add button. Wait for it to load. Click on apply. Once the data get loaded, simply come back to the lab. Come here. Click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. You can see assessment is completed. With this, your lab is also completed. Simply click on the end lab button. Click on end lab button once again. With the star rating that you want to give, click on the submit button and come back to main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे चेक करेंगे green tick मिला या नहीं. Lab थोड़ी सी lengthy और tricky है इसलिए ध्यान से करना है and you make sure you get the green tick beside your lab. It means you get the green tick now. The video is ended. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.